Hey, what's up, Hamilton Elam? This is Chris coming at you again. Hey, I had a thought this weekend. I wondered, what does Pastor Andrew do while he's on holiday? Because he says that he's painting his house and stuff, but I just wasn't too sure. So I decided that I would follow him for the day and see what he actually does. So let's check it out.
When I get older, losing my hair many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine, birthday greetings, bottle of wine?
And on another note, we have the Grown Ups Youth Group. Yes, you heard it right. The Grown Ups Youth Group meeting here on January 24th at 7 p.m. here at Elam. It's going to be a really cool time, so come on out the 24th of January. And keep an eye out for when Hip Hoppers are starting, Young at Heart's coming up, and Oxygen Youth. Also the life groups. All of these things, the information for starting up again will be on our website, hamiltonelam.org.nz. That's it, everybody. Go and have a great week.